What's up, everybody? We're out here with Aaron at Aaron's house and doing weekend hood rat type. Aaron, what have you built here, buddy? What we got going on with this?
This is what I like to call my cannon.
Okay. This is Aaron's cannon.
It's loud.
And so we're going to put what inside? Acetylene and oxygen?
Yeah.
How's it work?
So pretty much everything that comes from this that cuts iron is going to go inside that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now what's the deal at the bottom there?
So that makes us where we can put this.
Yeah, but I mean the teeth on the bottom there.
Oh, well, that holds it from moving.
Okay. That's the brakes.
Right.
I got it.
Yeah, because it has a tendency to want to come
I want
this
to move
way.
a little bit, so do not stand behind said cannon when it's going off.
Yeah.
And then what's the deal with the funnel?
Oh, well, somebody else did that.
Oh, okay.
That has
Is that our projectile?
That's probably him. He did that. I might have done that. Let's see what happens. Let's leave it there and see what happens.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I bet it'll probably come out of there.
Let's see what happens. So we got tape on it, and
Okay.
it's mounted to the trailer.
What's the tape for?
Well, see, the other night we got the urge to do a mobile ejection.
Okay.
Anyway, so there's nothing to do with alcohol.
No, I'm sure. None of this ever does.
So we filled it up and we taped it off, and we used a sparkler to set it off.
Ah, that was your
We
fuse.
used the trailer to drive it to the end of the road.
Okay.
because-
But now we're going to do it right next
Right.
to the shop.
Well, see, my wife, after the kids' bedtime, doesn't like me to set this off at the house.
I don't know why.
So we had to ride to the end of the road.
Okay.
Rattle your brains out.
It's not bedtime now, so we're going to do it right here.
So how do you keep, like when you put the acetylene in, what's keep it just from escaping out the
Nothing.
end?
Just goes.
Gravity.
It's heavier than air, so it
No,
just
we
stays back
we
there.
just feel it slam up.
All right, where's my other
You're gonna
earplug?
see firsthand, you know, we light this torch right here, and
Yeah?
we get it going to the speed that, like, you know, say, let's turn on my torch right now. Got too much gas. Right there.
Okay.
This, you'd cut iron with that, but it went out, but that's what we want. So
All
we're
right.
going to put this here, and it's just going to do its thing, right?
Yep.
All right, I'm going to put
So
these
it's just,
on.
it's leaking, it's going right now.
Oh, it's feeling it slam up.
Okay.
So I'm going to put my glasses on.
Yeah, safety first.
We're going to put my ears on.
Yeah, safety first from the guy who just had a piece of shrapnel go in his arm and had to
you
get
got
it
a stitch
surgically
hanging out.
removed.
Got a stitch hanging out right here.
Yeah, just pull that out.
Yeah, get over here. Look at that.
Oh!
Look at it.
Ow!
Look at it. I got a
Nice.
stitch. Anyway.
Yeah,
So
kid ain't
the
right.
next step is to hydrate.
All right, yep,
As,
stay
what's
hydrated.
his name? Yep.
I like it.
It is stupid loud.
Now, can you overfill it?
No.
Now, see, it's open to the atmosphere. So if we overfill it, all we're doing is,
All the excess is going to go out.
right, you'll just get sunburned tomorrow because we'll put a hole in the,
Those on.
right. Wiley, you got your ears on? Yeah.
Here we go. You ready?
Oh, Jesus.
Come back here.
We
Go
take
back there.
this,
Okay.
and we light it, right? Ready?
I think so.
Wiley?
Jesus Christ. I think the funnel came out.
That's a piece of it.
Golly, man.
So, I used to use that funnel, but I don't anymore.
It's
You-
gold. That's a piece of the funnel. You're welcome.
Yeah, I don't think you'd be using that funnel. Dude, that rattled my chest.
I told you.
I said it's ignorant loud.
Golly.
Ignorant loud.
It takes your breath
If
away.
you take your earplugs out and just cup your ears,
Yeah.
More of the
dude,
funnel.
it is like ignorant.
Golly.
Oh, yeah.
You want what they say?
That was insanely
Did
loud.
they say it was loud?
I mean, like hurt your chest loud.
There's some more out there.
My heart's racing for a
Golly.
woman.
God, I wasn't expecting that.
I'm
Like,
telling
I was
you.
expecting loud, but that's beyond
So
loud.
me and Eric shot one at Atomic, and we put a piece of wood in it. We shot it past the camper
Really?
from the shop.
You could probably glue that back together. Golly. That's nuts, dude. Yeah, that funnel's done.
I don't think I'll use this again.
I don't think so either. That's cool, man.
So yeah, like, ignorant loud.
Yeah. Yeah. You gonna do another one?
I might as well.
Might as well. You got everything out here.
Until I get in trouble by the women here. Go ahead. One more. One more. We gotta stick something in this. What we got? I mean, we had something in it last time, but. 3, 2, 1.
You didn't want that hat.
It did hit the house, didn't it?
No.
Oh, where'd it land at?
On the trailer? On the other
Oh,
side
it
of the
landed.
trailer.
Oh, it didn't go that far.
That was his hat. The wood's the thing that went on the other side of the trailer.
Oh my Jesus, that's funny. All right, so Aaron don't know it yet, and I just just learned it. But they stuck his hat in the cannon when he wasn't looking. I sure hope that wasn't his favorite hat.
It says Pioneer General Contracting, but it's Pioneer No Contracting.
Jesus, I was wondering what like. I only saw wood go in there.
Back in there.
Oh my God, that's funny.
Plastic in front of it, it burnt this hat.
I know, I smell it.
It curled it up.
Smells like it's been on the
Pioneer.
Was that your favorite hat, Aaron?
No, it wasn't. We shoved it in there, it's falling apart like that on.
It's not a hat no more.
I think you can still wear it.
What do you think, Wally?
That's
Is that a hat?
Smell it.
I've been told I gotta cook tacos.
All right.
You was told.
that's a taco that's burnt.
I have been informed that tacos must be cooked.
Must have tacos.
What color was that?
It was green.
green.
Now it's like gray.
Oh well. I'll get you another hat, Aaron.
They go to bed soon.
I don't need hats.
Yeah.
He has a bunch of hats. He has 100 hats.
We're gonna head home, guys. Fire the grill up, cook some burgers. But that's just typical weekend stuff around here in the big town of Graniteville, South Carolina. You can always count on Aaron to have built something that goes boom. So we might ride around here a little bit later, check it out at nighttime. But there's just a little sample of weekend shenanigans around here in these parts.